I'll write down here alveolar stage, and it will be from 26 weeks till birth, and next it will be from birth till 8 years of age, when the small child reaches 8 years of age. Note this down, this is very important. This is the timeline of alveolar stage, third stage of development of lung. These timelines are often asked in MCQs and 1 mark question answer, that out of these 3 stages, which stage resembles from 26th week till 8 years of postnatal life, 8 years of birth, that is alveolar stage. Please note down. Now here, second point will be, this alveolar stage, the most important point will be, it will help in further proliferation and differentiation of bronchial cells. Now the entire respiratory epithelial cells will slowly at the caudal end divide and proliferate and differentiate into bronchial epithelial cells, which are called alveolar epithelial cells. So now the respiratory pneumocytes which are present here, the pneumocyte type 1, pneumocyte type 2 in the respiratory epithelium will be now known as alveolar epithelial cells at the caudalmost subdivisions, because by the time this stage is reached, the divisions of the bronchi, from the secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, bronchioles, etc., these divisions will be around 17 to 18 divisions. So 17 to 18 divisions by the time alveolar stage has been reached. And these divisions, the lowermost divisions, will have lining epithelial cells which are called alveolar epithelial cells. So the lowermost will be known as alveolar epithelial cells, lowermost subdivisions, and these alveolar epithelial cells will divide into type 1 alveolar epithelial cells, which will be squamous. Note down, it will be squamous, flat cells. And more important will be type 2 alveolar epithelial cells, which will be cuboidal. Now this type 2 alveolar epithelial cells will secrete, here they will secrete surfactant. This surfactant will reduce the surface tension. Note down, this surfactant will reduce the surface tension present on the alveoli. The terminal, the caudalmost subdivision of the entire bronchial tube will be alveoli. So in the terminal most, the caudalmost portion of the alveoli, the entire cells of type 2 will secrete surfactant which will line the alveolar epithelial cells, and this surfactant will lower the surface tension and it will prevent the collapse of alveoli during expiration. Therefore, please note down all these points. So therefore, because of prevention of collapse of alveoli during expiration by surfactant which is produced by type 2 alveolar epithelial cells during or after alveolar stage will be the reason why 7th month, now here 7th month of fetus will be known as viable age of the fetus. That means if the fetus, if it is born after 6 months or within 7 months or after 7th month, around 7th month or after 7th month, if the fetus is born, then the fetus can survive. Why? Because by this time, from 26 weeks onward, during the 7th month, type 2 alveolar epithelial cells have developed which will release surfactant which will prevent the collapse of alveoli, and therefore pulmonary respiration can take place. And because of this pulmonary respiration, the fetus is able to survive during 7th month or after 7th month of its delivery. So if the fetus is delivered after 7th month, it will be able to survive because of surfactant fluid. And therefore this period from 26 onwards, 7th month, will be known as the viable age of the fetus. And during this period, there will be also release of the lung fibroblast. So let me write down here lung fibroblast. This lung fibroblast is released from the surrounding mesenchyme. Where is mesenchyme coming from? Splantinopleuric mesenchyme. this lung fibroblast will release the fibroblast pneumocyte factor. What will this fibroblast pneumocyte factor do? This fibroblast pneumocyte factor, which is released by lung fibroblast, will help in production of surfactant from type 2 alveolar epithelial cells. And at the time of birth, the total number of alveoli will be 30 million. And by 10 years of age, these alveoli will mature to 300 million. So here we finish our entire development of lungs. Thank you very much.